Today I'll be taking a look at the newest switch from IV Works, the Brevity. On paper, the Brevity is very similar to the Darkmoon switch, which I did a review of. Outside of the obvious color change and medium tactile stem, the changes are the stem is now made of an undisclosed material, whereas the Darkmoon stem was made out of palm, and the total treble is now 3.8mm compared to 3.9mm. Other than that, the same guidance applies with regards to just lubing the stem and spring, with film being optional. The set I have in my AV4 has already been lubed, so we can get straight to the typing sounds.